Hello, people, and this is my third review of the day, and I'm trying to do the whole review with a new kind of sort of this machine that I have with me. I don't know, something to hold my phone. It's a bit inconvenient, but and I have these two young people today with me, Ayush and Anviku. They will now henceforth keep coming in the videos with me because they also want to be YouTube stars.
Hi,
Hi.
people.
See, hi people. They also want to be YouTube stars. See, they'll show you what they are doing right now. They are doing some interesting drawing, and Anviku, my niece, she says she wants to be a YouTube star herself. So Anviku, will
Yes,
she's
I also want to be with Ahuma sister.
yeah. And does Ayush also want to be?
Yeah.
They made their debut yesterday with so right now at least 14 people on my friends list will watch this video, so that's a good thing. And uh, keeping in mind, like I said, for Miss Sridevi, like Sridevi ma'am, and right now I'm going to speak about these two films that were really remarkable. Yeah, like one was English Winglish. Oh my God, that was right from the music to Sridevi. I mean, she's like a true star. Yeah, I mean the film, and it's so believable. Like her role of this, this very simple Marathi housemaker, homemaker, and so that's my little kid there. He's up to something. So so I would give the movie like a 7-star rating, and considering it's stars Sridevi, everybody should go and watch it, people. So thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe.